during the day, if I'm home, I have it a little hotter. Just make sure that your system, especially if it's programmable, is going to the set temperatures you want. If it's not programmable, thermostat, make sure that your system goes on and off and gets to the temperature that you desire. Also, and if you're having trouble with that, give us a call. We can help you out. So if you're interested in efficiency, you may want to think about upgrading your system. Or if your system is really old and you're starting to notice some problems in your system, think about upgrading it before the summer hits. So right now would be a great time to say, hey, my system's old. I have problems with it every year. I'm spending money on it every year. You know it's going to go out on the hottest day of the year. And at that time, you're competing with everybody else in the valley here whose air conditioner system has went out at the same day, at the same time. And now you're waiting a couple days to get your air conditioner system either repaired or replaced. So we have great deals right now on high efficiency systems with 0% interest for 72 months. So give us a call. Right now is a great time to get in there because we can get in there within a day or so to have you changed out and know that you got a system that's going to carry you through summer, many summers, to get you through and not have to worry about your air conditioner system. Stay on that maintenance program every year to make sure that your system, even your new system, lasts many years and stays as efficient as possible. So that's pretty much why you need air conditioner maintenance. And I suggest that you go and get a professional company like Anthem Mechanical to come out there, take care of your maintenance for you, make sure it's professionally done, and you're ready for your summer.